back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is my Bliss Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious al pastor. This recipe is absolutely amazing. If you want to know how I make this delicious meal, just stay with me and let's get started. Alright, I have thinner cut, thinly sliced pork. Okay, I need 2 pounds of that. 4 tablespoons of New Mexico chili powder. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 4 boiled garlic cloves. I boiled half an onion along with the bay leaves and 4 garlic cloves. Okay, that's the only thing that I boiled together was these 2. The juice of 1 orange. 1 cup of pineapple juice. 2 pineapple slices. 1 can of chipotle chiles with adobo sauce. A tablespoon of onion powder. If you don't have annatto paste, don't worry about it because it's made with paprika, turmeric, and cumin. Okay, this is going to be the pumpkin pie spice. Of course, it's not gonna taste like pumpkin and there's no sugar in here. What actually is in here, you have ginger, which we would need for tachote, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, and you also have cloves. So you're just gonna need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of comino or dried cumin, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Finally, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of olive oil or just the oil that you have on hand. All right, let's go ahead and start mixing. All right, to our blender, we're gonna go ahead and add in the chipotles. I'm gonna start adding everything in. Alright, here we go. Let's see if I can put my oranges in here. Okay guys, don't forget to add your salt. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in there. Alright, what you can do is you can put your sauce in a bowl and then you can dip in there if you want to do it that way. I'll show you how. Okay. No, Jojo. You can do this and then just layer it in a sealed Tupperware. So it's looking like that. And then you wanna at least have this marinated for 12 hours, but the longer the better. So if you can go 24, you can just do it a day before like I'm doing right now. And you want them thick, because it's a paste. We're creating a paste. Okay, so you're not gonna need any salt or anything else because you have everything in the seasoning. And you want your pork cut thin so it can cook evenly. And then you can just keep them on top of each other once they're cooked and then just slice them real thin. And then our pineapple slices, I'm just gonna put 3 in there because my husband's a little particular about the whole pineapple being cut up in there. So we'll just do it on the side. Whatever makes your family happy, right? All right, see, there we are. Let me wash that. All right, so then you can just put it in you can just seal it in one of these or just put it in a plastic bag. Okay, you're gonna get the best results with like 24 hours, but you can do it in 12. So we'll continue this video tomorrow and I'll show you how to cook it and how to eat it. Okay, see you later. Bye. All right, we're gonna go ahead and assemble the al pastor. I'm gonna put mine in the oven. You can always put it on the grill or you can put it on your stove and just make it on a flat top would be perfect. But this is just a steamer that I used to do the tamales in. So I'm just gonna turn it over. We're just gonna do a makeshift one because mine didn't come in, so. Little bamboo skewers, I'm gonna put them in here and then we're gonna build our al pastor on here, okay? All right, I'm gonna start out by putting the pineapple. You can put them on the skewers or you don't have to make them on the skewers, whatever you wanna do, okay? Just move them around to make them work for you. You can get them out of the can, it's fine. You can have them fresh. And just put them on here. Just keep on building. Another pineapple on top. And then I'm gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees and I'm gonna check it in about 25 minutes. And I'm just gonna leave it just like this and then we'll come back and check on it. The liquid should come out through here and if we need to, we'll just go in and baste, okay? If we don't need to, then we're good. It'll be delicious either way, okay? So I will see y'all back in a little bit. Alrighty, This is our little al pastor. Look at him. Not the cutest thing to look at, but look how juicy he is. That is so tasty. This charred. I'm gonna let it sit like that. Look at all this juices just running out. What I'm gonna do is take the pineapples off, and then I'll come back and we'll see if we can slice them from here. If not, then I'll just put them on a cutting board and we'll just chop them. Okay? All right, see y'all back in a little bit. We're just gonna come up here. We're just gonna slice. Look at all that yummy. And now for the best part. Look at these delicious tacos. This will make you do the wiggle. I hope you give this a try. Please don't forget to share with your friends and your family. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next time from my blessed kitchen to yours.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos.